With an intro.
So, okay. I'm Shanta Kumar. I'm an engineer at Honeywell, working for past 3 years at engineer there. So basically, I came here for an innovation workshop conducted by Strainer. It seems because previously I didn't know what is the difference between innovation and improvement.
Okay.
So even I had a doubt on what is if an improvement could be an innovation or not. So the trainer was very clear about the basic concepts of what is going to be an innovation and what exactly it means. So that cleared off certain things from my mind.
Okay.
So I feel so it was very value-adding training to me. So that I'll carry forward in my professional career for sure.
Okay.
And with something which I found to be improved in this, or some things which can be done in a better way, is like can concentrate a little bit on how we go about once we innovate, once we find some innovation, how we go about pursuing on it. I mean, what are all the processes and difficulties involved in it? If that can be elaborated, he told that, but that can be elaborated a little bit.
Do you think within this time frame, or you? I think a
this
little
time
bit.
frame might not be enough. Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
was about to say. This time, maybe the 1 day or 8 hours, whatever workshop we do, that may not be enough to completely cover everything about innovation.
Yeah.
So maybe a time frame can be a little bit extended, and we can include some more technical details into it, so that it will be helpful for the future whoever attends in the next time frame. So that is one point which I wanted to say.
Okay.
And most of the things I enjoyed, the activities what he had, and the videos what he collected, also the trainer collected. I think he was very meticulous in collecting all the informations regarding innovation. So that was very value-adding to all the people here. That's what I feel.
Okay.
Then I enjoyed the customer interaction. This was the first time I just go to a random person and start speaking and start asking information from him. So extracting information from a customer, yes, it needs a different kind of skill set. Maybe I would have acquired some 0.0001% of that skill set today by doing that. So yeah, that was an opener for us. So now we know how not to talk or how to talk to a person when we try to get some information from that person.
So, would you recommend this to your friends and colleagues?
Yeah, definitely I will recommend. So in fact, whatever carried out, maybe I can try explaining what is the takeaway for me to my team which is coming, after getting to my office, so I can explain to my team, so that they also gain from it. But I think he is the better person to explain, so I might recommend my team to come and attend this next workshop as well.
Okay. So, how would you rate the trainer in the subject matter expertise?
He is a subject matter expert because this is the first kind of workshop I'm attending. So
Okay.
rating wise, if you ask me, I would rate 10 out of 10. So he seems to be so knowledgeable on all the fields, and even if not only technical. So technical knowledge anybody can gain if he works for 1 or 2 years, but the knowledge on how we make innovation and how we make innovators. So that's not anybody's cup of tea. So that needs a separate skill set to acquire. So that he's well aware of.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.